All right, so we've got a little bit of experience working with Excel's macro recorder. We just recorded ourselves performing a series of tasks. We got some text up there. We've done some formatting with those headers, whatever you did to it. Now, the next week rolls around, some new data comes in. I want to perform those exact same steps, but on the new data. Well, I recorded those steps earlier. Now I can just run the macro and Excel will do it all for me. Take a look. So I've still got the same example file open. I was on East Records. That's where I recorded my actions. Now, let's move over to Run Macro. I've got the exact same data here, but minus the headers. I want to put those headers in there. Region, expenses, January, February, March, and the total. Well, how do you run your macro? I gave it a shortcut key. Mine was Control J. If I just press Control J on my keyboard, and I'm going to do it right now, Control J, this runs my macro, and there's my headers. All done for me. One button press. Excel wrote it all down, said last time you did this, that, and the other thing, and it's going to perform the exact same steps. Now again, Control J, I love it, shortcut keys, but I don't always remember shortcut keys. So there's got to be another way to be able to run the macro. Of course, if you go up to your View tab, top of your screen, back over to Macros. This is where we found the macro recorder earlier. I'm going to hit the little down arrow there. And from here, I've got View Macros. If I go into View Macros, you'll find any macro that you currently have inside of this document or any document that you currently have open. So from here, I can find Add Headers. That's the one that I created earlier. And I can hit Run from here. This would do the same thing as Control J. So try this out. You've already recorded your macro. You've got some steps going on. Hop down to the Run Macro worksheet. This is your testing ground. Let's try it out. You already got it on the East Records. Let's go there. Hit your shortcut key, Control J or whatever you got there. Or go up to View, Macros, View Macros, find your macro, and run it from there. Try this out. Make sure it works for you. If not, try closing the workbook, don't save. Try re-recording it. Get a feel for it. Re-record it and try it again.